It's Emmanuel here from WP Staq, and I want to show you our AI website builder for WordPress because we have made tremendous amount of progress here. So now we've built it into our UI. I've taken the liberty to fill this all out. We're going to build it in Divi 5. So I've filled out all the information. I've gone for a luxury premium design with Divi animations. I've selected this as part of the homepage structure and included a gallery and location. And I could put additional instructions, but there's no need. So actually I'll say below the hero section, add a placeholder for a video. And let's generate it. Perfect, it has now done it. So we asked it to put a placeholder video. It has done that. It has created everything. We've asked it for a gallery and it's delivered. And we also asked it for a location, it's also delivered. So now, for example, I'll show you the power of it. I can go now AI prompt, I can select this, which selects the hero. I'm going to use Whisperflow here, and I'm going to tell it to do what I want it to do. Make this into a 2-column hero and place a luxury French dessert on the right-hand side. So it's done it this way. You might not like this, so we can go back to history, switch it back, and I want to say, add a background image of a pastry counter full of cakes with a background opacity of 80%. Now, I probably should have said black background, but hopefully it's smart enough to understand that the primary color is black. Perfect. And if I wanted to delete this row, I can select it. Delete this row. And just like that. We've also built the function where we can actually now create a sitemap. Let's go add page and go contact us. Then I can click here and then I can let AI decide. Or if I've got an existing website, I can actually explore not only your current website, it could be any random website like Stripe. If you wanted to extract something, you can actually put any URL, it extracts it, and you can then add additional information about the page. But in my case, I'm just going to go AI decides, and I'll say it's a contact page, and let's generate. Now, the generation process is queued, which means I can do whatever I want on this page without affecting my workflow. I can actually import from a CSV my entire website sitemap or URLs, or I can download the CSV template and make sure I'm following this structure, and then I can upload it. Now that the Contact Us page is done, I can click on it. And it's created a beautiful page. And if you didn't see it in the first video, you can actually share this with a client. The idea is that we'll make this into a white label solution so that your client will see your agency logo on the left-hand side. They can say, for example, hover over this, click on this element, write a note. You receive that feedback, you make those changes, send it back to your client, and then they can sign off and you can then deploy. So in my case, I'm going to choose to deploy this to the US region because this is based in Las Vegas, and I can select which pages I want to deploy. Now, if I want to go to the Staq dashboard, I can see that the website has been deployed in Staq in the US region. and we're just waiting for this process to complete. Fantastic. It is now live on Staq, so we can go to the Staq panel. Let's now log in with our one-click login. And this is the website. Now I noticed the opacity hasn't been done correctly, but that's an easy fix. But in terms of everything, it has done it according to the AI builder. And if I go into the backend of WordPress, I can go to pages. We'll also see the contact page. Which is perfect. Now let's click Edit with Divi, Divi 5. And it's done this in code, but this is done native. This is also native. The button groups, all native. Native. And let's go to the home page. I can select this. Actually, it turns out it did have an opacity. But for some reason it's not applying. But anywho, this is all native. This is using the blurb. Testimonial. This is using the number counter. So again, all native to Divi. And you've got the images. So we're getting close to launching. We are hoping for a June 2026 launch where you can have access to our builder. And the idea is to make your agency hum. So you don't have to worry about text, images from the client anymore. You can produce beautiful websites, streamline your whole workflow. And then you're using the power of Staq, where it has not only hosting capabilities, but you've got full management, caching, security, billing system, and so much more, where it literally replaces 30 plugins, processes, and tools in one platform. Thank you.